All right. What's going on, world? Oh, yeah. Gonna give it a few more minutes, let everybody get in. Share this Zoom call if you haven't already. Tag your mom. Tag your dad. Tag your dog if he got connection to the Wi-Fi. Everybody needs this information, I promise you. Oh, yeah. Give it a few more minutes. Actually, you know what? We're going to give it about 30 seconds, man. And then we're going to jump right into it. 30 more seconds. All right. What's going on, world? This is your boy, Suess Villiano, better known as Jamar Johnson when we're talking business. And if you're on this webinar right now, that means you've made it to the futures and Forex. So first, let me say congratulations. And second, let me say welcome to the start of your new life. I don't even know what phrase or what catchphrase to really give you, but so all I'm actually going to give you in this next 20 to 30 minutes is facts, truth, and transparency. So if you can allow me to be real, that's all I'm going to be. So I promise I won't be long, but I'll definitely be strong. So if you're on this webinar right now, that means that somebody you know, or even you did some information about somebody you know and found out about the largest financial market in the world, the Forex, the foreign exchange market. So if that's you, then let me say you're at the right place at the right time. If that's not you, then you are fortunate because however you landed onto this webinar, this information you're about to receive will change your life. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm actually going to give you a quick little overview of who I am, what I do, and how I got started. And then I actually show you what it is we're doing and how we're changing lives, right? So everybody has a story, of course. So I won't take away from that. And I won't try to, sell you guys with my sad story and my horror story about my struggles and my pains, because let's be real, we all have a story. The difference between my story and a lot of others is the outcome, what I did to, change my current circumstances to get to where I am now. And honestly, where I am now to fast forward is I live a free life. I don't answer to my alarm clock. I'm currently living in Las Vegas, Nevada. I travel pretty much anytime I wake up and I decide to. And I'm pretty much the boss of my own world. So all of that, I have to definitely give props and first give, faith to my higher power and the one above, but more so to this opportunity right now that I'm about to bless you guys with. So just let me tell you a little bit about me. Like I was just explaining, I'm here in Las Vegas, father of two beautiful boys you can see right there up top. That's my oldest, Justice. He's in Atlanta, Georgia. And that's my youngest, Gianna. He's in Orlando, Florida. So just to be real with you guys, trying to be in two places at one time is virtually impossible. Don't believe me, then try it. Trust me, I tried it. One of the biggest things I wanted was my time. More time with my kids, more time to myself, more time to be what I really wanted to be. And not to say that I wasn't fortunate to have a good occupation. I went to school. I did everything I was supposed to do. But at the end of the day, I had more month than more money, if anybody can attest to that. So I'll just scroll down here just so you can see who I am. Here's me just shouting out that we're doing this live Zoom call right now. I kind of posted it last second. So this will be recorded. So if you're watching the recording, shout out to you because this information is definitely life-changing. Just showing you guys that I am who I am. You'll see me posting on social media. You'll see got a new thing I'm working on that's coming out with a couple people. You'll see my boy Keith Sweat right there. We just had a big event that happened here in Vegas. So we got a lot of people that are actually on this call that you're on. You'll see right here, Zoom call is what we usually do every day, where we bring people to the information that you're watching right now. So what is it that I do? I am a digital plug. Let me give you a little bit more of some explanation about that. What I do is I utilize my smartphone, right? And I utilize the internet and social media And I combine all of the above to create income and pay myself every single day, every single week from the comfort of my bed or wherever I plan to be with my cell phone. And all that is thanks God to the opportunity I'm about to explain. So here's just some pictures showing that, you know, I am who I am. We were out here in Vegas, just had an amazing time building with the team. I'm actually excited about the move into the new location. You guys will be seeing that coming up. So enough about me, guys. I know you guys are really here because you just want to make some money, right? And honestly, that's what I really want to do. I am the guy who wants to get you to the goal as quick as possible. So let's just jump straight into it, right? So here we are. What we did was we partnered with a company called iMarkets Live. iMarkets Live. Not sure if you guys are familiar with Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad Poor Dad, but he broke this thing down. I can't even say if there's anybody who broke it down better than him, but he broke it down quite into a way that everybody can understand. There's 4 different ways we make money, right? There's 4 different ways, so pay attention. We have, of course, the employee, which makes up about 60% of the world. That's when you exchange your time and effort for an income, and if they don't work, you don't get paid. Then you have the self-employed. That's the one who works for themselves. They make money, but they have no time to enjoy the money that they're making. That makes up about 35% of the world. Then we have the 4%, the business owners. The business owners are the ones who have the systems in place, and they have them working for them and building assets. Money making money is the one I like to talk about, and here where it is right here. The 1%. The 1%, which is called the investor. The investor is the one who has money working for them and has unlimited income potential. They make up about 5% of the world, guys. So let me just tell you right here. I think we all can look at this screen and see where we fit right now and then see where we want to be, right? So this is where I was 3 years ago. I was an employee. I was working 50 hours a week every Saturday. I never got to see my kids. And honestly, I think it did something to like not only myself, but my relationship, with my family, because I wasn't really getting what I thought I was from the time I was putting in. Actually, my family was the people I was working for. I was spending more time at my job than I was with my family, which was crazy. So I know a lot of people can attest to that. Then I also, I tried the other approach. I said, you know what? I'm going to start my own business. I'm going to be self-employed. I'm not going to work for anybody else. I'm going to work for myself. And lo and behold, I found myself, having the time freedom, but I was a slave to my business. Countless hours, up every single day of the night. I don't even know my sleeping patterns. I don't even know how much weight I lost. I probably lost about 15, 20 pounds just trying to run my own business. And that falls in for business owners. So not to take away from, those type of structures, but there is the one structure. There's the one section in the quadrant, the investor section. And that's what we're going to focus on. We're going to show you how you can take your money, use your cell phone, and then use that money to make more money from you. And if anybody is excited about that, then go ahead and drop a 1 in this screen. Cool. All right. So what is the foreign exchange market? Everybody's saying, what is, I'm hearing about Bitcoin. I'm hearing about this. I'm hearing about all of this. So we're going to break it down for you. Foreign exchange market. It's a one currency trade for another, $5.3 trillion a day industry that you can trade on any smart device with Wi-Fi. To give you a better understanding, this is what the banks do, right? All the banks, the hedge funds, the governments, everybody trades in this market. So when you go into a bank, let's use Bank of America. Sorry, I'm not associated with them. Actually, you know what? I don't even use a company's name, for example, because honestly, once you hear what is going on, you guys might not want to use them anymore. But let's just say we're a bank, right? You guys come into our bank. You want to open up an account. You want to open up a savings or a checkings account. Let's use savings. You give me $200. I give you a receipt that says, here's a receipt for your $200. And then I'll tell you at the end of the year, you know what? We'll give you a 1% interest, which means we'll put some pennies on the money that you put into this account if you leave it there. So what I didn't tell you is that the moment you walk out that door, I'm taking that $200 and I'm trading it along with everybody else's money that day who came in and gave me their money in something called the foreign exchange market. That's right. What we're talking about right now, the banks are taking our money and leveraging it to make more money for themselves and not paying us. So we are in a market right now where you now can cut out the middleman. And the power of this company, iMarkets Live, is because they do just that. They help you cut out the middleman. Imagine if you can learn a skill from first-class Forex education that has a software operating in over 120 countries worldwide, completely debt-free and privately owned, no third-party services. Imagine if you can partner with a company that can teach you how to win in the largest financial market in the world. Exciting, right? I mean, we have everything from dynamic learn and earn services, all the marketing done through word of mouth. So everything you can really think to need to really grow your business, this company puts all in one hand. So let me go ahead and tell you about the Brainiacs and the reason behind, this powerful vehicle. The corporate leadership, the CEO, Christopher Terry. I don't know if you guys are under a rock on the internet, but if you aren't, then you know who this man is. He is a multi-million-dollar trader who has been publicized in tons of trading magazines. He's actually out here in Las Vegas, where he resides in. I think he's in like a penthouse hotel or something. Then he has his wife, Isis Delatorre, who is the co-founder and the CFO. She handles all the finances. She's mastered in so many different levels of business and things like that. And just combine, these two are a power couple that bring product and a culture to the world that I don't even know existed before these two. And then we top it off with one of the rock stars, Alex Morton, who's an executive VP of sales. He was featured in the Forbes, Rolling Stone. He was a $50 million sale income earner. Career earnings over $4 million. This, I don't know if you guys are under a rock again, but if you haven't, then you know who these faces are. So this just shows you that we're not just some rinky-dink company that is ran by people who have no experience and have no interest and no skin in the game. All right, so what is our purpose? What is it that we do? We don't want you to buy what we do, but why we do what we do. So Chris believed in creating a true vehicle that will bring people respect, dignity, and power to change their lives and the lives of others around the world. So let me just tell you, I had a chance to actually meet Chris Terry in Atlanta, Georgia, when we were launching an event, Super Saturday. And when I tell you he is one of the most authentic New Yorkers, and I highlight the word New Yorkers because he's definitely from New York. So you know what I mean. If you know anybody from New York, they mean what they say and they say what they mean. And this is no difference from business. Chris Terry is a man of his word, and he honestly is for the people. So I've never met anybody else that is already successful, and honestly, he goes out his ways to make sure everybody is making money using the products. Just a powerful, powerful leadership we have here. So I'm going to go over a few of the products, guys. I'm not going to go into great detail because honestly, if I told you everything right now, you still wouldn't understand it because that's just how powerful this system and this educational platform is. But what I will do is give you a quick run through of everything that we have here. So what we have is products that are 100% hands-free. We have products that you can copy and trade from our experts. All of our servers are provided in-house. We have visible trading records, so there's all transparency. You don't have to worry about any guesswork. I know there's a lot of people online that are making accusations about their trades and what they're doing. All of our stuff is documented. There's no performance fees or commissions taken by iMarkets Live, which means iMarkets Live does not handle your money. They simply are an educational platform that provides you the information to go out there and make the money once you use the information. So you choose your own broker and you control your funds. So that's definitely something that was exciting for me because most companies, when you get involved, you have to buy all of these products. You have a bunch of inventory. You got shakes and stuff just sitting in your garage. I know because I had it happen to me. Here, you don't have to have any of that stuff happen. Our products are virtual and digital. So let me go into one of the first products, FX Signals. Actually, I want to skip this one because we started to pull out of these. But these were some of the products we have, and our products constantly update all the time. So actually, you know what? I think I'll start right here because this is the sweet spot. This is the one everybody is most excited about. Copy and trade, swipe trades. What if I told you that there was an app, right, that sent you an information like the same kind of app that Facebook or Instagram, but when you got a notification from this app and you opened it, it was some data that you could copy and you can paste into another app. And when you did that, you could profit. Would you be interested? Hold on, one more time. If there was an app that you could just copy the information, paste it into another app, and profit, Would you be interested? I think the answer is yes. Everybody would. And that's what we have going on here with our swipe trades. Guys, we have information that are coming from top traders in the world and that are helping us to create income. Now, let me go ahead and state this. You know, past profits do not guarantee future profits, but these indications, these signals are great trading ideas that set you up. So no longer do you have to stare and sit and look at charts all day. You can wait till our experts give you the information for you to enter. This app works on Apple, works on Google Play. When a new trade idea comes available, you'll get a notification. You just simply copy and paste that data into the provided Meta for Trader app that you use. It gives you all the information you need, your entry, your take profits, and your stop losses. So all the guesswork is done for you. And it's just $15 a month, guys. Powerful, powerful tool. And when I say that we are making you know what? I don't even want to go there. You'll see for yourself. I mentioned this earlier about the daily swing trades. We also have a section where our CEO comes in and gives trade ideas himself, coming directly from his mind. The multi-million-dollar man himself gets on a computer, looks at the market, and sees where an opportunity is. 3 to 5 trades per week, and he lets us know about it. You'll get an email notification, and all you have to do is log into your back office where you'll find this information. On top of that, we also have the, what do we got here? The IML Academy. This is my favorite. I can't even lie. Nowhere else now. I won't take away from YouTube University and other traders that are out there in the world that have valuable content, but what you really want to do is collapse time frames. You don't want to jump all over the place and go to Bob, Harry, and Mike to get information. You rather get it all in one place so you can really dissect it and collapse time frames. And that's what we have here with IML. You get complete basic to advanced Forex education. Over 50 recorded educational videos from beginner to intermediate to advanced courses. They go over information about the technical analysis, harmonics, market geometry. You can access this 24/7 from English and Spanish, and this will continuously be updated. This is one of my favorites, guys, because there's no restriction. So if you got a tight schedule, you know, say you only have a few hours out the day you can learn, this is where you can go get the information on your time. On top of that, we have something called the IML TV. This is one of my favorite apps. Where else in the world can you get over, actually we have 35 plus hours, actually it's over 150 hours of live training now. We need to update this form, but yes, I said it, over 150 hours of live education training per week, where you interact with the moderator, where we have a chat room. You can find out about sessions that are happening, potential earning possibilities, everything here from beginning sessions, Monday through Friday. You can log into an app where we have top traders and trainers that come in and teach you how to trade. The reason why this is so powerful is because there's a lot of information out there on the internet. A lot of that information is outdated. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm a person that loves to get the information as it is. So we have information, live training coming from the market that's in current status, where the market is right now. So that's just powerful for anybody that's looking to plug and play. And also, you create your schedule the same way with this. If you're a 9 to 5 and you have 5 to 9 to learn, you can plug into IML TV. If you're a late 3 o'clock or 3 a.m. person like I am, you can get on and actually watch these sessions and profit 24 all throughout the day. We have sessions. So that's one of the best things about this app, is the education is unlimited. One of my favorite products, and I think everybody who knows about Our Markets Live, they know about the Harmonic Scanner. This is the product right here that is high probability, gives you the form of a market analysis. It provides you with potential entry, stop loss, and take profits. Now, this app, this product is privately owned software created in-house. So that means we have the patent for it. We don't have to worry about anything else happening. So let me tell you about this right here. This is one of the only products that I was using prior to, really trying out everything. And I was having a lot of success with this product only. I'll show you better than I can tell you. Let me see if I can go ahead and move my screen over some. There it is. All right, so I'll bring this up right here for you guys. We'll go into it. The reason why I love this company and I love the products we have is because when you're trading, there's a few things that you need to have in your arsenal. One, you need to have indicators. Two, you need to have a strategy. And three, you need to have team and support so you can collapse time frames and you don't spend the many hours that most people do trying to figure this out on their own. So with the Harmonic Scanner, what this thing does is this goes through the market. This does all the hard work for you so you don't have to do it. This goes through the market and finds patterns in current time and then gives you predictions in the market on where you can take a trade. Right here, I'm looking at the euro versus the Australian dollar, and this right here, the scanner is telling us where our entry price is, where our take profits are, and then where our stop losses should be, just in case, you know, the trade goes opposite. And we have these from all, there's every pair you can think of. We got it on a 15-minute chart all the way up to a day chart. So imagine being able to look and get a signal about a price or about a potential trade before it even happens. This is the power of what we have right here. So I logged out, guys. I'll log back in so you can take a quick look at it again. Then I'll jump back over. So I just wanted to show you what it looked like inside the scanner. So moving on to the next product. I know a lot of people are probably like, all right, Suess, I know, you know, that we got education, you got the training, you got the tools, you have everything we need to know to really make money. So, but how do we get started? How do we make money? How can we, you know, really benefit from this $5.4 trillion industry that you just told us about? So let me just show you, before I show you how, let me just show you who, you know, because a lot of the times we don't even know why we work for money. We don't even know why we get up and go and do the things we do. We just know we do it because we want the result. And the result is what? Money. So let me show you some people that are just doing and they're getting results based off of just the information I just given you guys a few moments ago. So we have our private blitz group where you can actually just scroll through, and I think some people have already probably seen this, but if you haven't, you can scroll through and see daily testimonials from people that have joined our group and are having success using just a few of the tools. And like I said, guys, those are just some of the tools that we have here in iMarkets Live. We have more than what I said, but I didn't want to take up too much of your time. So I'll wait to see if this can load just so I can give you guys some type of proof so you can see who's in this group. You can see all the type of action that we have going on here. You'll see that we have top leaders. Shout out to Garrett Roberts. He's a top income earner, earning $100 grand a month, making 26,000 plus a week. I think he's about 26, 27 years old, man. So shout out to Garrett and for leading this movement and being a part of it, man. But you'll see here goes one right here. We got an alert, we copied and pasted, and boom, look at my team profits. We put from 30 cents to $10 and grew our money to hundreds of dollars in an hour. You'll see that she's showing, what's that? I'll tell you guys exactly how much that trade was. $2.90 to convert to $943. Here goes some more proof for you guys. This just showed you that we have a ton of people. Here's a 10-year-old that we have in our group that is copying and pasting. He has a cell phone and he's learning the power of using his app. I can go on and on and on and on and on, guys, about the social proof and the power of this. But more importantly, I just wanted to show you, before I tell you how to get started, why you should get started. You should get started because this is for anybody and everybody. And what I mean is, if you have a cell phone and you can have discipline, you can show up for yourself, you can have success in this market. It doesn't matter what your goal is. If your goal is an extra $10 a day, if your goal is an extra $100 a day, or $100 a week, or $1,000 a week, or $1,000 a day, you know, all of these opportunities are here. Like I said, you know, past profits don't guarantee future profits, but you guys can be the judge. Do you think any of these people who have this information and understand this skill are going to fall off or go backwards? Absolutely not. So like I said, I just wanted to scroll down and show you guys some proof. I can go on for months and months of people who are posting a result. You see men lie, women lie, but numbers don't. Let me go ahead and show you how you guys can go ahead and get started, because I know you're probably like, all right, I've seen enough. I'm ready to win. I'm ready to take action. So let me show you how you can take action. How do I get started? We have the IML Platinum Package. The IML Platinum Package comes included with the IML TV, which is all the education, the IML TV, which is the app that has the trainers, the Harmonic Scanner, which gives you the signals, and the CEO himself, who gives you the daily swing trades. All of this retails for about $425 a month. Value. And let me tell you this, guys, from a personal standpoint. I personally, before partnering with this company, spend hundreds, close to thousands of dollars just trying to get information from a trader who in return, not to say he didn't give me good information, but I still had to go ahead and invest more money on my own to get to the next level. So let me tell you, when all of this value, all of this information packed in one place for one low cost of $195 and a monthly of $145, let me tell you that you guys will not find this anywhere else. Like I said, I'm not taking away from master traders, people who are trading independently and having a lot of success and charging $5,000 for their trading courses. But here you're about to learn a way where it only costs you not even $2,000 for the whole year, and you get the opportunity to make money back daily. We also have the optional add-on, which is the swipe trades, which is one of the most popular, which is $15 a month, retailing at $150 a month. Like I said, guys, the traders are sending you guys signals, potential opportunities that you can earn instantly in the market. And when I say instantly, I'm not talking about trades that, you can only profit maybe, $15. No, your monthly fee can be handled just by learning the information and utilizing these tools. We also have the Fusion Trader, which I explained earlier, and then the FX Signal hosting. Some of these products will be coming in and out. So just follow up with whoever got you here just to touch bases if there's a product that you're interested in the most. But here is the kicker, guys. So like I said, a lot of people pay a lot of money for Forex information. And honestly, prior to 10 years ago, it cost you had to have at least $3 million of capital just to participate in this market. But now it's open to the world. You can get involved with as little as $50 to open a broker account. So let me show you the power of what we have and why this company is so hot right now. They're offering a 2 and free program. The main goal is to help you break even, because right after that comes the profit. So what I mean by is the moment you come on board and you take advantage of all these products, you get your package, you get enrolled, all you have to do is let 2 people know what you're doing. And the moment those 2 people decide to take action like you, your membership is waived completely. You never have to worry about a fee. You don't have to worry about paying anything ever again. So now you have a financial educational platform. Now you're going to school for free. You don't have to worry about any student loans or robbing Peter to pay Paul or working part-time to pay any fee, because your business, your educational platform is completely free. I don't know anywhere else in the world they're saying, you know what, come learn how to make money. And if you tell 2 people, we'll teach you for free. So what you get when you join iMarkets Live, you get a prestigious leadership across the board, from corporate field into the traders. You get the world-class products from the services and education. You get our dynamic platform that appeals to almost any situation, time, money, and experience. You get the friendly and supportive community and culture. And let's be honest, guys, you get to let your money work for you, because that's what we all want to do. If time and money were not an option, most people would travel the world. Most people will be going on vacation or actually investing in something else they want to do. This platform sets you up for that. Not only that, we give you the community that can help support you along the journey. So all I can say, guys, is I hope this information was valuable. I hope it answered a lot of your questions, because let's be honest. One thing's for certain and 2 things for sure. These testimonials are going to continue. The only thing is, will it continue with or without you? Now, I'll be real and say that I would love, because our mission here is to help 30,000 families in the next 365 days earn an extra $100 to $1,000 a day from their smartphone. So I'd love for one of those 30,000 families to be you. But let's be honest, not everybody will take action. Not everybody will be the person that wants to win as bad as they think they want to. So there's 3 types of people. There's the person that says, you know what, this is not for me. You know what, not that I don't think it's real. I just don't think I can do it. And honestly, you know what, that's fine. This is not for everybody. So I appreciate you coming out to this webinar and watching the information. And hey, look, we're all here to serve people. So share this information with somebody you think might be into this information. Then there's number 2. There's the person who's like, yo, I've seen enough. I've already seen the testimonials. I'm hip. I'm connected. I understand how powerful this is. I don't want to miss out anymore, and they're ready to take action. If that's you, get back with the person that invited you to this webinar so they can get you plugged in. And let me tell you, it only takes about 3 to 5 minutes to get plugged into our system. That's how powerful this platform is. Get plugged in with the person that invited you to this call so we can get you set up, and I'll see you on the other side. And then there's the 3rd person. There's the person that said, you know what? I see it. I understand it. Sush, you went a little bit fast. I still need a little bit more information. And you know what? If that's you, fine, amazing. That was me at first too. I needed to see some things. I needed to get a little bit more documentation about it. But let me tell you this: you don't need $1 million research on a $200 investment. What you really need to do is put more time into the outcome you really want to create for yourself. So if that's you and you're on the fence and you want to get your questions answered, feel free to reach out to me. You can message me on Facebook, you can message me on social media, or reach out to the person that shared this information with you, this opportunity, and they'll get your questions answered for you. Here's just a quick little preview of the back office so you guys can see some of the tools so you know how powerful the training is. Shout out to, I didn't even know I was signed into Lorenzo Hoffman. Here's one of my partners. He's a six-figure earner earning 10K a month, and he's on his way to 25. So shout out to him. He's doing some big things, but here's just shows you the tools that are in the back office. So the training is right there, guys. The information is right there. The tools, everything you really need to win in the Forex market is right there in the palm of your hands. And I'm honest and happy when I can say we can help you. So if you're ready to take action, it's time to get started. It's time to go. Let's grow. I see you at the top because the bottom is way too crowded. My name's Suess Villiano, and this is iMarkets Live. Peace.